We already knew that. I don't know about you, but I hear these words after a presentation as a backhanded slap. It's an attempt by stakeholder teams to discount the value of the work completed and to minimize the efforts of the teams behind that work. It might be intentional. Honestly, in most cases, I don't think it is. But for anyone who has ever uttered those words, just let me check you. There is a huge chasm between knowing something about something and then choosing to do something about it. So yes, it is 100% possible for an opportunity to be transformative and for you to have heard about that opportunity in the past. You might have even uttered the words, we should do something about that. Because here's the thing. Transformation doesn't require novelty. It requires action. And so the question to you is this: what are you avoiding that you know will tangibly bring your work to its next level? Choosing to not act on what came into your consciousness, that is a choice. What is standing in the way of your personal and organizational transformation is not often lack of knowledge, it is lack of